slow motion. They donated one oil pan. Also somebody else donated an oil pan on Instagram. He goes by the I know his Instagram is wolf pussy. But yeah, he donated a brand new K2 oil pan, so that's kind of awesome. And then just coming out here to pick it up. I stopped by Jigs the other day. And then he welded the oil pan for me, and I'm just picking it up right now. So I think I should even see the guy that did it for me. So that's kind of awesome. That's the guy right there that actually welded the oil pan for me, so that's kind of awesome. So I'm just gonna walk here and show you guys kind of what they got going on. The slow motion. Yeah, buddy, let's see. I probably came to the back side, and they do a lot of everything. V8, Subarus. I see a lot of Subarus though. They do also a lot of Hondas. They also built my buddy's EK hatch. Hello. Is that cool if I walk in through here? Yeah. It's also cool if I record a little bit of your shop. Is that for the YouTube channel? Is that cool? Sweet deal. I'm just kind of vlogging my trip and the drama and the problems that I've been having, you know?
The drama, yeah.
So,
the drama.
Yeah. Who we got here?
I'm Brad.
Yeah.
The shop foreman.
Yeah.
Slow Motion Motorsports.
He's the one that actually built out my buddy's EK hatch. Actually, yes. He was at the show the other day. Yes. He's actually a good friend of mine. So I was actually looking at it truly. Yeah. At the show. So he did amazing work, you know, with the fab work and the intercooler and everything. And you guys were awesome to help me out welding those bungs on the oil pan. I found somebody to help me out, take it to a shop. So I'm gonna, so I'll go change it up in there, you know. So again, I appreciate you guys for, you know, you guys actually hand me another oil pan, so I have a backup on the road in case something happens. So I appreciate that.
No problem at all.
So this is your guys' all motor. You wanna give me a little bit rundown on this one, or?
Yeah. The owner's name's Sam. He's a longtime friend, customer. It's just a EG. It's got a K series in it, 15-to-1.
No, you're talking about K series. You're talking about my alley. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a K series fan. You know.
Yeah. It was on Honda and E85 last time. I think it made like 375 to the tire. So.
Wow, that's great power.
Yeah.
Just on E85, because everybody's running like M15 and all kinds of fuels out there. You know.
Yeah. Now it's going to be on M5 now.
Okay, there you go. Yeah.
So now we're going to try and get her up around the 400 range.
Sweet deal. And what's you guys record? I mean, on this one so far?
Quarter-mile time?
Yeah.
I would have to verify with Sam. I can't recall, but I want to say like a 10-2.
Nice.
Something like that. He's really hunting for the 9. So now he hasn't had a real good pass in it yet.
Yeah. Everybody's going turbo now, man. You know, everybody's kind of stepping away from all motor setup. You know.
Yeah.
So I give him props from sticking all motor and stuff. You know.
Yeah, he's diehard. So.
Sweet deal. So. Oh, he is one of the oil pans, huh?
Yeah. Jake,
oh, there's the other one too.
Yeah, you got them both done last night.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow, he TIG welded it nice. Look at that, guys. Wow, he did a front and back too.
Yeah. I want to make sure it was good.
That's what's up. And this is the brand new one, the K2 oil pan right there. Wow, he did good work right there with the TIG welding on that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and buy some of that silicone, that right there.
Yeah, Thermatex, yeah.
Now this store right here nearby, you guys have it?
They should. That's where
I passed by. Yeah. I passed by earlier.
AutoZone or Advance.
Yeah. So at the light, make a left, and then it'll be on the left hand side, right? Yep. Sweet deal.
Left out of here, and then.
Awesome. Well, guys, man, I really appreciate it for you guys handing hand to a fellow car enthusiast. Yes. You know. So I'll go there and swap it out and get back on the road. Actually, tomorrow I have a dyno day, so PCI or some or ACI, I don't even know. I gotta look it up. Yeah. So hopefully no rod's gonna drop in there or anything, you know. So again, guys, I appreciate you for all the work. And what's you guys' phone number here in case anybody wants to
740-965-1728. Slow Motion Motorsports.
That's what's up. What you love, guys.